Watch you guys. This is another video tutorial from ITbox showing how to open a certain type of file in your favorite software in Windows 10. Let's imagine the situation that on your computer you have a PDF document which you created or someone sent it to you for the review. It's absolutely everything fine with this document, but every time you try to open this doc, Microsoft Edge opens this doc. You download it for that particular reason to your operating system. You download it and install Adobe Acrobat, and you would like to make this application the primary application to open all PDF documents in your system. How can you change that preference? How can you tell the computer to make Adobe Acrobat the primary applications? It's absolutely no issue, and I will show you how to do it. So you hover the mouse over the document, you do the right click, and on the submenu, when you have open, share, cut, copy, delete, you have many options what you can do with this document, but we would like to concentrate on one particular position which is called open with. You have a right back arrow, and now you have a miniaturized little submenu which showing you apps which are available to open this particular document. But we would like to go one step further, and we go to the last position where you have choose another app. You click that, and now you have magnified choice, so you can see that PDF document can be opened in Adobe Acrobat, Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, and some other application which you can download from the internet. But we would like to choose Adobe Acrobat. We know the choice. We understand and we know the choice. So that's one thing. But to make that choice permanent and tell operating system always to make Adobe Acrobat the primary application, you go to the command where it says always use this app to open PDF file. So you tick the box, click OK, and from now on, every time when you click that particular document, it will always open in Adobe Acrobat app. So as you see, your command works. Now let's imagine that you have a video file, and we're gonna do exactly the same procedure. So you hover the mouse over that file, you right click with the mouse, you find the position open with, and you go to the last position on the new submenu telling choose another app. A new window appeared. Now let's say that I would prefer VLC Media Player. So you make the choice, and to make it permanent, you tick the box next to always use this app to open MP4 files command. You tick the box, press OK, and now every time I have this PDF file, video file, it will always open in VLC Media Player. Sometimes you can have a situation, like for example, I have this Word document, this text document, and it was created in Microsoft Word. And let's say we would like to check if we can open this document in a different application. So what can you do? Just simply repeat the same procedure. You do the right click, submenu appears, but there's a difference, because when you have open with, there is no right direction arrow. That means that you have only one application on this operating system which can work with this type of document. I hope that you will find this video useful, and if yes, please subscribe my channel, give me a like, and leave a comment about your personal preferences and experience with your preferable application on Windows 10. It was Mark from IT Box, and see you in the next video.